Hey everybody, welcome to this shortwave radio channel. And of course, I told you that I would have different radios doing the series called What If? So I decided, I was looking at my radios today and I kind of had an idea that, you know what, why not go back in time to 1982 as if this would be my main radio. So this is the realistic DX-100. This is what got me started in the hobby. I really got a big start in the hobby thanks to this radio. Now, today I know that it's not that great of a receiver, but you know, it was all I had back then, and I honestly DX the world with this. So, today we are Saturday, May 18th. And I decided that today is going to be a what if this is my main radio? What if this is the only radio I have? Well, that's what we're going to do today. Listen to shortwave with this. Now, this is interesting because it also has single sideband. So we will try to tune single sideband signals also. And I've actually plugged it in to my sloper antenna in the backyard. So this is going to be a lot of fun. So this is a general coverage receiver, has medium wave, starts at 520 kilohertz around, all the way up to 30 megahertz. And of course, we will be looking at this and trying to see if we can actually enjoy radio listening and do a Saturday night listening of the shortwave bands using this receiver. Here at the top, you can see that it has a couple of stickers from the old days. WRNO Worldwide, Radio France International, and Radio Norway International. Pretty interesting. So we'll be checking that out. Of course, this is an all analog receiver, and it's very difficult and finicky in the tuning, but we'll set it up. It's already set up anyways. And we will, of course, tune the bands and try to tune different types of signals. I think this is going to be a lot of fun, and I think a lot of you are going to enjoy seeing the good old realistic DX-100 in action. This is the first receiver for shortwave I've ever had that I knew what shortwave was all about, and I got that in 1982. So it's 1982 makes it 37 years of age. In August, it's going to be 37 years of age. Quite amazing when you think about it. So I hope you enjoy the videos, guys, and of course you'll see that throughout the day today as we tune in the different signals and check out the different things that we can receive with this radio. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.